Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to my channel, Beat Down by Shar. This is the look we will be doing today. Alright, let's start! So this is my first step. I am putting a base over my eyelids and I am using LA Girl's Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. This is really good for before you put on your shadow. Here I am just evening out my base on both eyelids all throughout. And here is the fun part. I am going in with my Juvia's Place palette, starting with my yellow from the beautiful ZULU palette. I used the yellow at the top, which is a transition color. And in a minute, you'll see me using the orange as well. I like to dance, don't mind me. If you're not dancing, you're not having fun, right? You want to make sure that you are blending. So you'll see me dance and you'll see me continuously go back in and blend as much as possible. Now I'm just going in with my Nubian 2 palette, again still from Juvia's Place. I love their palettes, and I'm using in this palette the Morocco color. It's just a little darker than my orange in the ZULU palette, so I'm just going right underneath in my corners where I put the orange, the original orange at, and just making it a little darker. Ever since I learned how to do a cut crease, it has been the best thing ever. So here I am doing the infamous cut crease using Ambrosia Cosmetics in their IFX. It is the best. It's so smooth. I love how my eyeshadow sits on top of it and it doesn't crease, which is really good. So I'll do that on both my eyelids and make sure they're even. And after I did both my eyelids, I am now back in my ZULU palette using the purple. This one doesn't have the names like the other ones, so you'll know what I mean. It's only one purple. And so I'm not smearing it in, I'm just patting it because I don't want to smear the white base as well. So I'll just go over it and pat it with the blending brush. You can also use your finger too. Some people use their finger, which is good. I sometimes use my finger as well, but here I'm using my brush. So I keep going and keep going till it's all over the white base. Okay, here I'm using my Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm only dabbing it in the purple areas because that's where my glitter will be, and I'm going to do that on both of my eyelids. After being done with that part, I can now apply my glitter. This is my fun part, but tedious. As you can see, my eyes are like closed open. You do not want this glitter in your eyes. I'm using Ambrosia Cosmetics again. I love this glitter. This was actually just a sample after that came with my order. As you can see, I've already applied the tape to the corners of my eyelids at an angle. This helps me when I'm doing eyeliner and creating a wing. Wings are either your best friend or your enemy. Let's just hope today it's my best friend. So the wing eyeliner was definitely a success. Now I'm applying too much foundation on my brush. But I do use Maybelline Fit Me in Matte to Poreless number 358 Latte. This one is much better on my skin tone. It blends so well. I'm just dabbing it all around, not really smearing and wiping it in. You don't want to really do that. So I love to get all the way around and dance. And I also love to dab it in around my ears because you don't want your ears or your neck to be two different colors. And with a little highlight, guys, this is the final look. I hope you loved it. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to see more Beat Down by Shar.